Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 72 of building the 1966 TV series Batmobile. In this issue, we're starting on Robin's seat, the passenger seat. Did anyone else ever sit in it? That's my real question. Did Robin ever drive the Bat car? I don't think he did. Anyway, January 12th, 1967, episode 72 first aired. Joker's Hard Times, back with the Joker. The one where Robin is swallowed by a giant clam. They really came up with some stories for these, didn't they? They really, really did. The Jungle Cat Queen. Is that Poison Ivy? I don't know. Catwoman in it. Batman Outlaws. Part 2. Devastation in No Man's Land. There you go. All good stuff. Huntress. And the parts. We're doing exactly the same as we did last time. Not much building to do again today. We're just installing the seatbelt over in Robin's side and getting the seat and that ready for next time when we build up the seat and install that just like we did before. So yeah, let's clear this out of the way. Let's have a look at the parts. So here we have them. We've got the seat much the same as last time, rubbery black and red with the bits ready for the frame to fit around. Nothing really to look at in that. And the foam, nothing really to look at in those either. Put those aside until later. And we have Robin's other half of his seatbelt to go onto here. It just fits in just the same as the other one did on the other side. It just pushes in there. Just like that. Just you can see how that's obviously done for the other side on there. Just what's going to happen when we get this next seat fitted this side. So yeah, another issue done. Nice and easy, no troubles at all. Next time is a bit more trouble putting that seat back in again. But we'll get to that very, very soon. So thank you for watching. Stay safe and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.